Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the Mexican holiday celebration called Day of Dead. But how much do you know about Day of Dead? It's a Mexican holiday that takes place throughout Mexico. In that holiday, families and friends meet to pray for and remember friends and family members who have died. That tradition was described in the representative list of Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO in 2008. In effect, Day of Dead is celebrated since October 31 until November 2nd. Traditions concerned with the holiday include building private ofrendas. Ofrendas are altars that people building in their relatives' dead graves. In honoring to the deceased using calaveras, Aztec marigolds, and the favorite food of the departed, as well as photos and memorabilia. Azteca marigolds are kind of flowers that familiars put in the graves of their relatives and around the cemetery because people believe that kind of flowers attract and guide the souls. During the day, Catrinas and skulls march in parades around the series. Catrina is a woman who wears a skull costume. It's common meet a lot of mariachis play and sing in the honoring the souls. Mariachis are singers who sing Mexican traditional music in the squares. The ofrendas are buildings left out in the house too, as a welcoming gesture for the souls. Some people believe that spirits of the dead eat the spiritual essence of the ofrenda's food. Toys are bought for dead children and bottles of tequila, mezcal, or pulque for adults. Also food such as candies, bread of death, and sugar skulls. Sugar skulls is a typical candy that people made for this special holiday. Day of Death is an amazing tradition and I invite you to go for that and enjoy the food, music, customs, and stuff about that custom. Go and enjoy to Mexico. Thanks for all.